Hey, welcome to Tech Tuesday. This is Mark Brewer, my friend Garrett Neal. We're going to show you how to put together a gentoo tank with a 200 pump, direct drop-in power. So right now Garrett right here is putting in our sending unit. He's going to have that all put together here pretty quick, and then we'll start putting in the outlet cap and then the pump and everything. We'll get it all hooked together and then shipped out to some lucky customer that's going to have a fantastic machine ready to roll.
Yeah. Perfect.
So now we're going to go ahead and connect that outlet cap to the sending unit. We're going to have power to that so you can get all the fuel pressure and everything we're going for. Figure out where your fill is on the tank. We'll set that in there, and the next step we're going to probably go ahead and stick in our baffle system foam. Right now Garrett's putting in the foam. He just put that in the baffle system, which is the big thing about the gentoo tanks. Baffle system in there that'll go ahead and when the fuel's returned down in there, it keeps it in there. So if you're on a hill or something like that, like we got fuel in there, and the pump will still keep working even if you're on a hill. So we're going to go ahead and hook up the pump and then install it as well. The Gare Bear's hooking up our pump. Now we're going to go ahead and feed the lines through them up to the outlet cap afterwards. Good thing about these ones is whenever you buy one of these tanks or something like that, all you got to do is pretty much is just hook up to the sending unit, the power supply, and then the ground, and then just your fuel lines, and then return. You got a drop in tank, you're good to go. So right now we're going to screw down that outlet cap. Lock that on there to make sure they don't slip. Here's an instrumental in our gentoo tanks. So right now we're heating up one of the fuel lines. That would be the outlet one, and that. We got to heat that up there so it'll slide over that barb, and then when it cools down it'll shrink back up on it, and then we'll put on a hose clamp to make sure, like say, nothing leaks. It's all good to go. Say if you have any need for a fuel system that you want to just drop in, Gare Bear's your man. It'll be great. Have the issues of building it yourself? Right here. That's what you're looking at. Outlet side, we got the return on now. That'll be the one that fuels up your baffle system. Make sure you got fuel if you like, say you're at a stop or on a hill or something like that. Keep all your fuel going. Now we're putting on the lock ring. Keep the outlet cap where it's supposed to be. So now we're going to go ahead and put the fittings on here. We just added some Loctite. We'll move that all around. Like I said, we don't want those fittings moving or anything after they're installed. So Garrett's going to go ahead and get them all locked up, get them screwed in. So right now we're just finishing up this tank. We're putting on the ground wire. We're getting ready to box this bad boy, and somebody's going to have a brand new tank here pretty quick that you just drop in. Hook it up with the wires included with that. Good to go. Yeah, so here you are. We got a gentoo tank ready to go. So that'll be just a drop in for somebody to go. They're ready. Vent. We got the outlet cap. There's your pump. Everything's good. Brand new.